Please subscribe us to get the latest update on the real estate in Delhi, Gurgaon NCR region, and to get the video like this, and to get the review about the society, about the locality, about the projects, about the builders. So please do subscribe us. Thank you.
So guys, welcome to Pavitram Realty Prop Vlog. I am Realty Guru Dr. Jitendra, and Pavitram Realty is happy to announce that we are official channel partner with Sobha Builder now. Sobha is on the panel with Pavitram Realty now. So today we'll discuss about the new project of Sobha in Sobha International City, Sector 109 Gurgaon. That's Sobha Altus. So in third phase of its development, Sobha is now launching just two towers, Tower 1 and Tower 2. And it's a 165 acre integrated city society. Out of it, 75 acre is already delivered in phase 1, phase 2, and now phase 3 is launched. So 65,000 club is already operational in this. Sobha Altus will be having two towers. So Tower 1 and Tower 2, and there will be 4 BHK and 5 BHK. 4 BHK will be from 3,500 square feet to 3,100 square feet. 5 will be BHK will be 3,690 to 3,850 square feet, and the basic sale price will be 23,588, and the price range will be 7.75 CR to 9.65 CR. So it will be construction link plan. The clubhouse will be 46,000 square feet in 2 acres. As you know about the connectivity, Sector 109, it's actually directly connected with the IGIG airport, almost 15 to 20 minute drive from the IGIG airport. So it's a chance to be part of pre-certified gold star rating green homes in Sobha City 109, Sobha Altus. It's a limited edition inventories, just 4 and 5 BHK. So you can own your luxury apartment in the Sobha Altus. As you can see, there will be just two tower like this. One tower will be G plus 12 height. One will be G plus 28 height. It will be loaded with all the modern amenities. Total area, total land will be 5.5 acres. And it's a limited edition with all the amenity, all the modern amenities. Limited edition house. So it's a flagship project of the Sobha Builder. So guys, if you want to book your apartment, if you want to visit the site, please give us a call. We'll get in touch with you and plan your visit. Just go and have the see and have a look at the society, have a look at the Sobha International City. It's fully developed already, and the clubhouse look like will be this. So it will be a treat. It will be a visual treat to have an apartment in the Sobha International City. So multi-level landscaping, parking will be there. It's low density, only 6 plots per acre. So it's a very good project. The price range is quite good for now. It's just 23,588 per square feet. That's the BSP. So if you want to book your apartment, you have details, call us.
Perfection. The culmination of fine details, brought to life through intricate craftsmanship. Nuances that catch your eye and draw you in, even in subtlety. The magnificence is undeniably arresting. Not because it demands attention. It's the only thing that you're passionate about. Perfection. Inevitably yours. Shobha.
India's first elevated
द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे
Dwarka Expressway.
द्वारका एक्सप्रेस हाईवे बना रहे 30 किलोमीटर और वो इंजीनियरिंग मार्वल है। दिल्ली में नया सिंगापुर इसके बाजू में बैठ रहा है।
About a year ago, India's dynamic urban evolution was marked by a groundbreaking milestone, the unveiling of an extraordinary feat of engineering, Dwarka Expressway. By Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this rapidly growing corridor symbolizes India's visionary infrastructural prowess, hosting iconic landmarks such as Global City, Yashobhoomi, 18-hole golf course, and diplomatic enclave. Starting from the airport and seamlessly connecting the two dynamic cities, Delhi and Gurugram, the expressway is a modern-day gateway to global business, lifestyle, and innovation. A visionary leader in luxury real estate, Elan Group.